Hello everyone, I hope everyone is fine and it's good to catch up with you after a really long time. Last video I made was during Diwali and it's April now, so it's been really long. And today's recipe, as a kid, I would have enjoyed. I hope you guys enjoy too. You can show it to your kids as well and they can make it on their own. It's very easy. This recipe reminds me of my childhood days when I used to make rasna at home. Now I'm making lemon iced tea. I personally do not like powdered iced tea which we get in the market. And this iced tea, if you see, most of the restaurants, they even give it in the buffet because it's cost effective. So let's not waste any further time and let's get started. For 3 cups of iced tea, you need 3 lemons. I've taken 4 because one is for the decoration. Since I've got limited things available for decorations, I do not have straws. Mint leaves, they are completely optional because I personally like the mint leaves taste. That's why I'm gonna use mint leaves. 1 cup of water in the bowl. 1 teaspoon of tea. One request, please do not use green tea as this is gonna ruin everything. So 1 teaspoon of normal tea is sufficient. 1 cup of cold water in a jar or a bottle, wherever whatever you can use. I have personally added some ice. 1 cup of water, half cup of sugar. This is for 3 cups. 1 shot glass. This is some for fun element which is what we're gonna do, and 1 normal glass. So without wasting further time, let's get started. Step number 1, boil the water, add some sugar and let the sugar dissolve in the water. Let the sugar dissolve and we'll move to the next step. So now the sugar is dissolved in the water. Let's turn off the gas and move ahead to the next step. The next step is to add the tea in this hot water. Let it be there for 10 minutes. Please do not boil tea, water, sugar together. Tea is just to get the flavor of the tea out of it. Let it infuse for 10 minutes while we go ahead and squeeze lemons and start do the other preparations. Let's chop these lemons and then squeeze them to extract the juice. I've chopped the lemons. Let me just squeeze the juice out of it. Alright, the lemons have been squeezed. There's the lemon juice. Now the next step is the mint. Add the mint leaves and also to do some decoration. I'll not do something great. I'll just peel off 1 lemon slice and I'll just add it in the water in the glass. While we were squeezing the While we are squeezing the lemons, see the color of the tea. It is infused very well. Next step, you'll go ahead and add the mint leaves. So I've chopped the mint leaves and I'm adding it to the mixture. And the next step is to add this water into the mixture. You'll have to strain your tea. Let's do it. Look at the color of the iced tea. Isn't it amazing? And I can smell the aroma out here. It's awesome. Last step, just decorate the glass with whatever ideas you have, and pour the iced tea. Who are missing the vodka shots, please use vodka glasses. Pour in some iced tea, have some iced tea, do cheers, and that's it from my end. Please like my video in case if you like it, and subscribe my channel. Also hit the bell icon. Any kind of feedback, you're more than welcome to post it. Thank you very much. Have a good day. Stay home, stay safe.